Hi, my name's Eric, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking about acoustic solutions. The first solution is going to be the Kaotica Eyeball. The Kaotica Eyeball is a 360-degree acoustic shield. It comes with a pop filter, and it is designed for side address condenser microphones. The second option that I'm comparing it to today is what I made last week. Yeah, so let's set these up. The standard Kaotica Eyeball easily slips over your side address condenser microphone. You're going to want to make sure that your condenser capsule is correctly oriented to ensure that it captures all of that beautiful voice. Put the pop filter in front and you're ready to go. You need to be fairly close to the microphone for the Kaotica Eyeball to really utilize the isolation effect that it's going for. And the closer you are to it, the more in the middle you speak to it, the better it sounds. And this is what it sounds like on an MXL 990 that was modded with parts from microphoneparts.com. And this is it set up. This is my DIY solution. Technically the cost of materials is $10 when you take into account that it's a 12 pack and I only use 6 panels, but either way, gets a little bit more isolation compared to the naked microphone. Not quite as good as the Kaotica Eyeball, but when you compare $20 compared to $200, I think it sounds pretty good. Anyway, stay tuned next week where I'm going to be comparing the Kaotica Eyeball to the IsoVox 2 vocal solution. It is $200 and my girlfriend is going to throw it at me. The suspense is killing me.
Open your eyes. You're so dramatic.
It comes with a pop filter.